Welcome to our kitchen where we'll embark on a flavorful journey through a delightful recipe, baked goat cheese salad. Let's start by preheating the oven to a toasty 325 Fahrenheit or 190 centigrade. Now our goat cheese meets its destiny, coated in a medley of flavors. While our cheese bakes, let's dance with the salad. Mixed greens, vibrant cherry tomatoes, and the tangy red onion join the stage. As the aroma fills the air, it's time to unite these culinary wonders. Garnish with optional treasures, toasted nuts and dried fruits for a burst of flavor. Finally, the pièce de résistance. A harmonious marriage of warm goat cheese and crisp salad. And there you have it, a masterpiece ready to be savored. Serve immediately.